9 devices that can skyrocket your electricity bill. Hey everyone, welcome back to Family Entertainment. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us. Those sneaky appliances and devices that might be causing your electricity bill to go through the roof. We're going to walk through the house, room by room, and I'm going to show you which of your favorite gadgets are the biggest energy hogs, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Because let's be real, I love my tech just as much as you do, but saving a few bucks and being a little kinder to the planet, well, that's just smart living. So stick around and let's get that electricity bill under control. If you're a homeowner, then you need to pay attention to this. We're talking about your air conditioner. It's the king of energy consumption in most homes. Cooling and heating can make up over half of your energy bill. Even a tiny adjustment to your thermostat can make a difference. Bump it up a degree or two in the summer, down in the winter. You could shave a decent chunk off your bill every month. Am I the only one that didn't know the bathroom hides a secret energy vampire? It's your water heater. This thing is working overtime, especially if you're one of those people who loves a good long hot shower. Those hot showers can really add up on your energy bill. Your water heater is chugging along, constantly heating up gallons and gallons of water, and that takes energy, a lot of it. It can be responsible for almost a fifth of your total energy use. Try turning down the temperature on your water heater a little bit. Even a small decrease can make a difference. And here's another pro tip: insulate those pipes. Wrapping your hot water pipes with insulation helps keep the water hotter for longer, which means your water heater doesn't have to work as hard. You need to hear this if you're a homeowner lighting. Remember those old incandescent bulbs? They were like tiny space heaters. Good news is we've got LED bulbs now. They're incredibly energy efficient and last way longer. And remember, turn off the lights when you leave the room. This is why you need to pay attention to your refrigerator. Let's move on to the heart of the home, the kitchen, and talk about another major energy consumer, your refrigerator. This appliance is running 24/7, keeping your food cold and fresh, but all that convenience comes at a cost. Those compressors and fans need power, and it can add up to a significant chunk of your energy bill. First off, let's talk about those coils. If they're covered in dust and grime, they can't release heat efficiently, which forces your fridge to work harder and use more energy. So grab your vacuum cleaner, give those coils a good cleaning, and watch your energy bill go down. Another easy fix is to avoid overstuffing your fridge. A jam-packed fridge restricts airflow, making it harder for the cold air to circulate, which uses more energy. Am I the only one that didn't know how much energy my washer and dryer consume? They can really suck down the power. Wash your clothes in cold water whenever possible. Heating water for a hot wash takes a lot of energy. Switch to cold water washes and watch your energy bill shrink. And speaking of heat, let's talk about the dryer. Air drying is the way to go. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. I bet you didn't know how much your electric oven can skyrocket your energy bill. Now, I love a good home-cooked meal as much as the next person, but those ovens can be real energy guzzlers, especially during the summer months. Think about it, you're using a ton of energy to heat up a small enclosed space to hundreds of degrees. And all that heat doesn't just magically disappear when you're done cooking. It radiates out into your kitchen, making your air conditioner work even harder to keep things cool. So, what's the solution? Consider using an air fryer. These handy appliances use significantly less energy than a traditional oven and can cook food just as crispy and delicious. It's a win-win for your energy bill and your taste buds. I bet you didn't know how much energy your dishwasher can use. The dishwasher is a true lifesaver, but it does use energy to heat water and run those cleaning cycles. So how do we make sure our dishwashing routine is as energy efficient as possible? Well, for starters, resist the urge to run the dishwasher every time you have a few dirty dishes. Wait until you have a full load to maximize efficiency. And here's another tip: skip the heat-dry cycle. Most dishwashers have an air dry option, which uses the residual heat from the wash cycle to dry your dishes. It might take a little longer, but it uses way less energy. You need to hear this if you're a TV lover. Our next energy culprit is lurking in your entertainment center, your TV and media devices. Many modern TVs and media devices are designed to be always on, or at least in standby mode, so they can respond instantly to your remote control or download updates in the background. But this constant low-level power consumption, known as phantom load, can add up over time. The easiest way to combat phantom load is to simply unplug your TV and media devices when you're not using them. It's a small price to pay for lower energy bills. Am I the only one that didn't know how much energy computers can consume? Finally, let's wrap things up in the office or maybe your kitchen table, because our last energy-saving target is your computer. If you're like me and spend a good chunk of your day glued to a screen, those energy costs can still add up. Plus, with more and more people working from home these days, our computers are becoming an even bigger part of our daily energy consumption. One of the easiest things you can do is to simply shut down your computer when you're not using it. If you're just taking a short break, put your computer to sleep. It'll use a fraction of the energy and will be ready to go when you are. Simple steps like these can help you save energy and money. All right, folks, those are the top 9 devices that could be driving up your electricity bill without you even realizing it. Making just a few of these changes can really add up over time, and you'll see the difference in your monthly bill. And hey, saving money is great and all, but there's another big reason to be mindful of our energy consumption. It's better for the planet. Every little bit of energy we save helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and lowers our carbon footprint. So why not give a few of these tips a try? And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that follow button to get more money-saving tips from us here at Channel 9.